like that move there. That this was a really nice, because I think, if I recall it, I think I sent you. This was a beautiful structure, like Wyckoff structure. This bar right here. I said this is your trade, and then they retested this globally, and then look at this. What comes after this actually is really nice. And here, look at the compression here, right? This over this, no commitment, higher low, sign of strength here.
Yeah, lots
And
of
then,
demand coming in on that last down bar.
yeah, look at this selling. And then this is, if you think this is selling, how come we don't break? So there's more effort and you have a higher low.
Yeah, which suggests improvement by demand and overcoming of 62.
Divergence. Yeah, and everybody thinks that oil is going to go lower. I think, now we're going to spend some time here, maybe in this trading range.
Yeah, I like the sentiment as well, because everybody is low. The oil is going to be lower. The oil is going to be lower, and that's usually the environment when the price start changing and the big interests are actually buying.